Here we have this question, which of the following is a compound? This can be a simple thing to answer, but at times there will be confusion between what is a molecule and what is a compound. So here we have four options: O3, H2, H2O and HCl. Look at the first option, O3. Clearly there are three atoms involved here that are oxygen atoms, and you can see that they are all similar atoms: oxygen, oxygen and oxygen. In this case it is a molecule because by definition molecule means a group of atoms bonded together is a molecule. So when I say a group of atoms, that means two or more atoms combined, it is called a molecule. So O3 is a molecule because there are three oxygen similar atoms bonded together. The same case with H2. H2, here we have two hydrogen atoms involved in the bonding. Hydrogen and hydrogen are covalently bonded together, therefore it is a molecule. But look at in the case of H2O, again here we might say that there will be oxygen atoms and two hydrogen atoms, like I said, two or more, right? So oxygen and two hydrogen atoms are bonded. This can also be a molecule. Absolutely right, H2O is a molecule. Although H2O is a molecule, it also acts as a compound because by definition compound means that a thing that is composed of two or more separate elements. So in case of compound there must be separate elements involved. That's very important. So hydrogen, H2O can be a compound as well. So H2O is both a molecule and compound, right? And if you can look at the case of HCl, we have hydrogen atoms bonded with chlorine atoms. We can say that hydrogen element is bonded with chlorine element. So obviously HCl can become molecule and HCl can become a compound also. So the option C and D are our correct answers because they are molecules as well as compounds also. We must understand one thing, there will be no confusion here on that. If you understand this one, all compounds are molecules but not all molecules are compounds. The meaning for this thing is very simple. If you see O3 and H2, they can never become compounds because there is no difference in the elements that are involved here. But if you look at the case of H2 and HCl, there is a difference in the elements that are forming bond. H2O has two hydrogens and one oxygen involved, right? So there is a difference in elements. If you take in the case of HCl, there is a difference in the elements. So C and D can become compounds and A and B can never become a compound. So I repeat, all compounds can become molecules but not all molecules are compounds. Thank you.